Not a gambling man, but I take the bet that your AutoCAD drawings look nothing like this. What you can produce in Rayon.design is significantly better, easier, and faster, especially for your interior design business in 2026. So if you're looking to make a giant leap, let me make it a little bit less scary. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with the basics. AutoCAD is built for an engineering, precision first, technical drawing workflow. If we just simply have a look at their homepage, you'll get a feel of what they're really about. Everything is designed about the details, the nitty gritty, about construction specific information. They're building a community around draftspeople, not interior designers and architects. Even in their own branding, they suggest that we can layer everything for a comprehensive view, meaning you're going to have thousands of layers to make sure things work the way you like. At the end of the day, that's what it has been built for, and it's exceptional at it for a hefty price tag, of course. Rayon, on the other hand, has been built for interior design from day dot. You can see straight away from their homepage that they're focusing on interior designers, floor plans, furniture layouts, interior graphics, schedules of FF&E, and so much more. If we just scroll through what they have to offer, it's a lot more colorful, vibrant, and more modern in 2026 compared to AutoCAD. We even have style and annotation in here, which I'll get to a little bit later on. Blocks and collaborative involvement. So straight away, it looks like this next generation software that we want to be excited about and learn more about. And when we go across to pricing, you can see it's completely free. If you need a little bit more power, it's only $21 a month compared to the 200 plus for AutoCAD. So straight away from the two interfaces, we get the feeling that AutoCAD, you're telling the software what to do, how to do it, and drawing technically. Rayon, the software is letting you be creative. It's allowing the space to work for you and with you. Dive into a template and have a look. You can grab a copy of this template down below. This is an interior design for a duplex home renovation. You can see that we've got images, text, drawings, all in the one space. Even these floor plans for our furniture layouts are all done within Rayon. You don't have to take it to Canva or Photoshop or anything in between. In AutoCAD, we'd have a floor plan like this, but we'd be searching for blocks for weeks on end to try to find the perfect one, and we'd probably end up importing DWG anyway. In Rayon, blocks, find, let's just type in chair as an example, and you'll see I've got so many chairs to choose from, and they're full families too. So if I click on this option, on the right hand side, we'll have our top, front, and side view all available from that one same chair. If you can't find what you're looking for, you can use the AI panel either on the left-hand side to open the chat or down the bottom, clicking the toolbar up to generate a block from an image you found anywhere on the web. Here you can see everything's grouped, so if I open up that group, I can adjust it in a matter of seconds, rotate, relocate, and update, and nothing breaks. It all works consistently time and time again. And like I previously said, this is all in Rayon. So this behind is just a style, meaning it's a hatch that has a pretty picture attached to it. It doesn't slow your project down at all, and it lets you show exactly the design intent. If we wanted to change this, for example, we click on it once, and then we can click on styles and find something we like that's preset. If we don't want a preset, we can make it from scratch, of course, by clicking the little edit button, going into our textures. Now, we might want a hatch of tiles, we might want a custom image we've imported, or a fill that we've found, a gradient, or even just simply a color. All of these super simple to change and adjust in Rayon. If you made a mistake, like always, Control Z, Command Z, depending on what software you're on, and it will just undo all those errors. Now, here's the best part. In AutoCAD, we dread a client saying, I'd like some changes, especially as you move deep into the project. You've got your sections, you've got internal elevations, you've potentially got some cabinetry layouts. And maybe you're doing some axonometrics of these cabinetry layouts, These things take a lot of time, effort, and energy. Luckily, in Rayon, it doesn't really break. It doesn't take long to adjust, move, update, resize, rescale, reposition, even changing fills and colors and opacities all at once is relatively simple. Don't get me wrong, Rayon still works in a layer system. So if I come up to the top here, you'll see I have my layers, but it's a ridiculously condensed, simplified version. All we're using our layers for really is grouping, so that if we want to turn off things like our doors and windows, we can come into our ground floor, find doors and windows, and toggle them on and off. Or if we want to toggle our dimensions on and off and our annotations, we can do that simply through a layer. So in Rayon, you're not thinking about layers as a stacking priority system, which of course it does work in that way. You're thinking of layers as a grouping method, a way to organize your projects, to be able to relocate, remove, turn on and off layers quickly, but in a much more user-friendly and creative way. Like I already said, you would need to take this exact floor plan into Photoshop, into Canva, or any third-party software, pay for all those subscriptions and fees, as well as the exorbitantly expensive AutoCAD itself, to be able to produce exactly this. Not only does that cost more money, it takes a hell of a lot more time to go from one software to another to another. So instead, we use Rayon, of course. We document the styles. We import the blocks like the hand basin, the shower, the toilet, the laundry, and everything between. We document our electrical plan, our room names, and our automatic zoning tool, which if you've never used the zoning tool before, down the bottom, zone, you can literally just hover over spaces like this entire kitchen, click on it once, and it will give you the exact zone space. Now, let's say you want to do the laundry, for instance, just click on it once, click again. Let's delete those tiles so we can see the zone we created, and it's just done it instantly. Those zones can be used as fills as well. So if we wanted a gradient, a hatch, a tile like this, let's transform that, scale it down, 0.2, maybe even better, 0.4. And there we go. We've got tiles in our bathroom again. That's automatically linked to this zone. Then we just rename the zone to laundry up the top here in the right hand corner. And we retain our square meterage and have our named room name done instantly. Better yet, once we've dragged and dropped it into the paper canvas, created our beautiful presentation set, floor plans, electrical plans, fixtures and fittings, electrical schedules, a couple sections through the building, an FF&E schedule, so dragging in images, creating beautiful schedules, itemizing them out, with quantities being able to be automatic. I've done that in another video, make sure you check that out. Millwork drawings and potentially even photographs, renders, AI generated images, everything in between. Then we can export it as a PDF, amazing. But more importantly, we can share a live link. So at the top, live, we go to share, presentation, turn on this little toggle. Then we can copy, paste, and we can see an online portfolio style presentation viewer of each individual page. Now, this is completely live. So if I went back into here, found the image, deleted it, went back to Rayon and refreshed my page, I then come back into my share presentation and just update the pages. If I come back into the presentation set, reload it, you'll see that image is entirely gone. Now, this is super helpful. It means you don't have to send continuous PDFs back and forward. You don't have to have egg on your face for making mistakes. You can just quickly fix it before anybody opens it up and really sees what's going on. So if you need to make any last minute critical changes, you just simply do it here in Rayon and update the presentation link so it's ready to go. Admittedly, AutoCAD and most other traditional 2D CAD software have terrible collaboration methods. It's typically, here's my full set, let's export it as a PDF, let's email it, wait for some comments, and come back. In Rayon, we have live collaboration features, which means we can invite collaborators into our project. They can see everything like we see it now, add chat bubbles directly into the project, provide you with positive or even negative feedback. Let's call it constructive criticism, you know. Let's say if they don't want to use a chat function, they can come down to the bottom and type in annotate, open up the annotate feature, just scribble over your drawings and go 600. Now, that might be useful in this scenario, or it might be able to call out details, draw custom sinks falling down, give people a bit more idea of what our detailing is going to be looking like. Very crudely drawn, but you seem to get a little bit of an interpretation of what I'm looking for, which you can't really do in a chat bubble. So the annotation feature is incredible to use for a visual field. This is huge for clients studios, practices, and basically anybody that we deal with on a daily basis. Now, before I wrap up, here's one bonus. You're not losing CAD power just because you're moving from AutoCAD and Rayon doesn't have CAD attached to the end of it. You still have the ability to go to export images, all your pages, PDFs, all of them, like you've seen in the presentation set, but you can still email it to people if you want. You can export your data, you can even export a Rayon file because Rayon is obviously web-based, but it can be desktop-based if you need it to be. So at the end of the day, your drawings are still accurate, professional, and ready for the real world. Anyway, that's all from me, team. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. And like always, I'll see you next week.